Savage.
What up? What up?
What's going on with you, bro?
What up? What up? And they got a Christmas tree up.
Yeah, yeah. Got my
Yeah.
little corner that I usually be in. I can't be in. Got some stuff over there moved around, so I had to switch locations.
So I got you. I got your shit. Hey, I'm in the mood. Progress some decoration too, bit.
So what's been going on, man? Everything been good?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everything good. Getting ready for this new year. And I really reflected, man. Did a lot this year.
Huh?
I said I was reflecting, but man, I did a lot this year.
Yeah, bro. With the DJing, the show,
Yeah. Yeah.
meeting new people,
Yeah.
getting out your comfort zone,
Yeah.
hosting shows on here, bro. You did a whole shitload, bro. And
Yeah.
you got to
Shit.
keep it going.
Yeah, when I really look at it, I was like, man, hell, I really it's a lot. Like, I mean, it may not be important to everybody, but like, all that was like bucket list type shit I did. Yeah,
It was growth. Yeah, you overcoming obstacles, man. I
yeah,
achieved a
shit like
lot as
that.
well, man. So I really
Yeah,
can
yeah,
relate to you.
going to the wrestling shows and actually being a part of it, and it's just little small stuff. Like, I mean, hey, my first promo.
Yeah, you know what I just finna say. Did a promo, everything. Cut a
Yeah,
promo,
so
did the whole 9 yard.
yeah, so it's gonna be bigger stuff so far, but next year, but
We gonna have a New Year's show too. We gonna do a New Year's segment.
hmm
We gonna do a New Year's segment. Get when we don't know yet, but we probably get dressed up for y'all. Little bow tie, come up on. Get a little
well, yeah, yeah,
the
yeah,
countdown to
yeah.
New Year's.
That's right. We toast up,
Yeah, there it is. Crown. Bro, you like the
toast
apple?
up.
Have you tried the what is it? The what is it? Cinnamon? Not cinnamon, but the brown flavor. What fuck flavor? Caramel Crown Royal. Tried the caramel Crown Royal?
If it's mixed with something,
That caramel is scary, bro. It's another one too. You know what
mhm.
you probably know what I'm talking about. It's all brown though. It came out during the time of the apple. It's a flavor, a Crown Royal. Dang, trying to
The
think.
black Crown Royal,
No, it's a vanilla Crown.
vanilla. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Bro, that vanilla crown, bro. That shit tastes like motherfucking cream soda. You end up getting fucked up fucking with that.
Well, no,
You don't got to
nah,
put nothing with it.
I, I don't like cream soda like that now. Yeah,
No, but I'm saying
but,
if anybody that's out there, if you put them in the mind, if you like cream soda or if, shoot, like vanilla ice cream in general, it don't
hmm
really taste like liquor as much as the other flavors.
I
See
don't
that
know,
apple, I
probably.
can't fuck with that apple, bro. That apple nasty, dog.
Oh, you tripping, man? That's the one.
And how you drink it, hot or cold?
I don't know. I gotta drink that beer. I ain't to that age no more. Straight shit like that. Here. It gotta be cold, and I drink my shit with cranberry.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
So that
yeah.
cranberry probably
Back,
balance it out.
yeah, yeah. Cause back then we thought it was a big thing. Hell no, I want my shit straight, but hell, bitch, not no more. Hell nah, bitch. I need some chaser. If,
Right. See, I have a little chase every once in a while, but I don't really drink like that. So if I drink, I'll take me like maybe 2 or 3 shots and be done with it.
yeah,
But
that's what I say.
if I'm in a social setting and I know I'm finna be here for a while or something like that, I get me, a drink chase.
Yeah,
So a stretch like a Long Island. That's my go-to. Really, a Long Island
I'm trying to
icy.
tell you, man. Long Island gonna do you.
Yeah, a
You
Long
get two
Island.
Long Islands, you set for the night.
Man, I went to the casino to eat at the bowl. Me and my girl,
Which
and I
one?
was in Coconut Creek, and I ended up getting a strawberry daiquiri because it was kind of late. So the free, like that, all the frozen stuff was kind of, I mean, most of the stuff was cold, like done. But that shit was
Mhm.
so fucking good, bro. Oh my god, bro, a strawberry daiquiri.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I always thought that was
That
like
was
a
my first
female drink.
time. Yeah, it is. But I got one. That motherfucker was
That
good.
motherfucker good, and you wanted another one.
Yeah, yeah. But it was
Shit.
last call, so I couldn't get one.
Yeah, man, shit. That's why I say I feel like going out, man. Bitch, let me try different type of drinks and all that. Cause
Marlon, I
oh
felt
man,
like you just clotheslined me just then, bro. Talking about it's a female drink. you just clotheslined.
no. I thought it was. No, I thought it was.
Shit, that
I
shit
done
was
had them.
good.
I done had them. So I have them.
Hey,
I ain't
I
gonna lie. I ain't got. and felt good the whole night.
Yeah, it did.
Hey,
That's what I'm saying. It was a nice vibe. It snuck up on me.
there you go, yeah. Because think about it, any other day, we can say, all right, you come over, I come over. It's easy to say, hey, let's go grab a bottle of Hennessy and we just drink and vibe. But then, like, okay, man, you go into a restaurant, an outing, try something different.
Yeah.
Like I'm not fit to buy a Hennessy and Coke, knowing damn well I can be at the house and do a Hennessy and Coke.
You try something different. The same thing with food, be a
Yeah.
tourist. Try different stuff. I agree with you on that. So, bro, how was the you got a chance to go to what event that was that you attended?
Oh, the All
The last
Caribbean show.
the All Caribbean show is
That
another
last one,
ACW.
we talked about that, but yeah. Next one, January 8th.
January the 8th. Oh yeah, okay. So it ain't been one since then.
Nah, that next one. So it look like they're
That
gonna
one,
be running every month. So that's
that's a
good.
good thing.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
And
So
I see all my
January
peoples
8th,
every month.
y'all make sure y'all check that out. And what city it's gonna be in?
Same about Hialeah.
Hialeah. So
Yeah.
basically, all y'all got to do to make it simple and easy on everybody's hands, go to ACW, all their social sites, and you'll be able to get the time and the date and the directions to the event. I'm telling you, man, I ain't got a chance to catch one yet, but Marlon done been there, and I can bank on it. If he says it's great, because
Yeah. You seen the clips of it, right?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. And
Mm-hmm.
just by hearing your word, I know you're gonna give it the blood raw when it come to that. You take that indie wrestling serious. If it's good, it's good. If it's garbage, it's garbage. So
Yeah.
you know what
And
I'm saying?
like I said, like when we talked to McKill,
Mm-hmm.
I see the vision. And now you got your roster that believe in it. That's what I noticed, and I like. I'm like, okay, everybody see the vision, so you got the right team.
You can push the dream.
Just push the dream, yeah. So what I want to say, I had saw one of my wrestling buddies, they posted about wrestling psychology,
Mm-hmm.
which means okay, I know when I'm at a show, if something not going on good in the match, I ain't gonna lie, yeah, I'll pull the phone out and all right, there ain't nothing too much going, but then if it's something going good, the only time I'm pulling my phone out if I want to record and do a video.
Right.
So it's like, okay, now see, people don't understand. Like, okay, you gotta understand. Like, if me and you do a match, we gotta understand how we gonna put the match together. That's gonna keep everybody attention. Because nowadays, people attention is
Everybody
short.
ADD. Yeah, everybody ADD.
Everybody is short. Everybody is short. Like, even though when we came up, we sat through and watched the match because we ain't had the phones like that.
Have more patience. Yeah. Every information is just so fast and right now, and it's affecting everything.
Right, yeah. So because it's like, okay, the show was good, but it was maybe one or two matches. I was just like, okay, let me go buy me a drink. Let me go. But then the rest of them was like, damn, I don't want to walk away because I'm thinking I'm finna miss something.
Right. I'll follow you.
You see, so this was like, okay, that's why I say I got to get another wrestler and let them know the importance of psychology because I think it was one match where people just wasn't into it.
And I can relate to what you're saying. Like, for example,
and it wasn't because they didn't know what they were doing. It was just maybe the
wrong
presentation.
timing. Yeah, it's the wrong timing. Like, for example, like I'm finna tell you, like you do an armbar submission, and you already, you know what I'm saying? You may have the crowd, you just getting the crowd going, and then you slow them down and go to a submission, or you got them in the headlock or armbar or something, or you know what I'm saying? Any abdominal
Now you
stretch.
done killed the crowd, dead.
Right.
But
right. Or
then
either you start that before you even get them going.
Yeah, but if done right, a simple arm bar might get you a pop. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
If done right, like okay, you got to figure out okay how
coming off of
how
reverse.
can I make this arm bar to make the most exciting thing? Because it's a way that you can do it. Like take Scotty Twatty. The worm is the simplest bullshit in the world, and that's bullshit.
Right.
But he found a way to get it over. Now let you try to do the worm and try to do that one chop. Everybody gonna be like, okay, what was that?
He did that worm before he do his signature. So the worm became a part of the signature. Like you see Worm, this is what's coming. Same thing like with The Rock when he throw his little elbow pad out.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, the people's elbow is bullshit.
Right. But so that's what could be the makeup for the bullshit ass move. Cause that chop bullshit too. Throw a little dance or a little, something a little like a hook in a rap song.
Yeah.
Throw something catchy in it before you do the bullshit.
Right,
so the bullshit don't even matter.
Yeah. Cause I'll be like, if I'm fighting The Rock, I'm like, man, look, I don't care what the hell we doing tonight. You is not beating me with no elbow.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have to rock bottom me or something.
Yeah. You better knock me out with a steel chair and then hit me with the elbow. But you ain't gonna just
straight elbow me first and win. No.
Yeah, elbow, and I gotta sell that like fucking death, and then probably, who knows? Probably before then, you probably done put me through a darn table, and I'm able to kick out of that. But you mean a bullshit ass elbow? That what did me in? Nah, that's why I say if I wouldn't mind losing to nobody, but it's gonna be believable.
Yeah, we gonna make it look believable.
That's the same thing. We ain't gonna make me look like a darn. Yeah.
Lex Luger came to WWE, and when he was repping the American character or whatever, and he's supposed to have the little metal plate in his forearm, and he was just hitting people with straight forearm. Remember that finisher?
Yeah. They tried to say like he had a metal plate.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But I can get behind that though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You ain't got no metal plate in your elbow, so bitch, you gonna have to do something to me that make it believable that you just hurt me enough for the elbow can get over.
And even so, Luger was a big muscular guy, so
it made sense.
You can believe a big person like him hit you with your forearm
without the plate.
But I'm just saying, you can believe somebody like him knocking you out, and I believe that. But somebody like a Rey Mysterio Jr. ain't fit to beat me with no fucking forearm. No, Rey Mysterio gonna have to cheat his ass off to beat me.
Rey Mysterio, a lucky character, bro. Especially when he got his shine. He paid good dues. Now, don't get me wrong. He had some awesome moves, but just him having to be real active in the ring at all times, I think what sold him over. Because a lot of the stuff he do, like, and who he fought, like, you know what I'm saying? Just, like if you looking at it from your standpoint for it to make sense, it didn't make sense.
Nah. No. Yeah. And I would say that for the rest of my life now that I'm getting older.
Right.
Yeah, at least I'm trying to really understand the business how I see it, but like that ain't make sense. Like, come on. Rey Mysterio against Khali. I don't give a damn what Rey Mysterio did. He ain't no way hell you can convince me. Khali beat the whole locker room. And Rey Mysterio came out and Khali ran. You done beat 5 people up, 6'8", 6'10", 300 pounds, but little 5 foot Rey Mysterio ran out there and you ran.
Well, see, you are part of it, and me as well. You just more more vocal about it, and you're more observant. And I am too, but you speak on it. A part of that last old school that came through, where you know what I'm saying. It gotta, you know what I'm saying. Make me believe. Don't just throw no anything at me, man. You know what I'm saying? If we already know what it is, and we just still love it anyway because of the sport. But don't make no fool of me.
Yeah, make a sense. Cause like you want to talk about making sense. That's I tell you, I always watching the old stuff. Mm-hmm. Like if we go back to the whole NWO thing, mm-hmm. You mean to tell me it was 12, 15 of them, and all of them was scared of Sting like by himself? All of them was scared of Sting.
And they made mockery of that anyway. It was like they had like 50 members at one point.
Yeah.
Referees, everything.
Yeah. But never mind.
All of them was scared of Sting.
Never mind. You had the fucking 4 horsemen. Never mind. You had Lex Luger, Booker T. You had all of them DDP. But all of them together, the NWO will kick their ass. But Sting walked out. And that one, I remember one. Sting just came out there, hit all 10 members with one punch. And that was
y'all
it. Yeah. All that one punch in there.
That was Steven Seagal special, boy.
Yeah. By the time he hit one punch, 2, 3 people should have been on him.
And then he was pausing too, not them old karate movies. I remember what you're talking about. He went in there doing all them chops.
And they really selling the hell out of that.
Jumping over the rope, everything.
Yeah. It looked good back in the day. But now when I'm watching it now, I'm like, okay, why he got him? These 3 of y'all could have came and got him.
And if you ain't into wrestling, to relate to what Marlon's saying, is movies that we seen as kids that if you watch it now as an adult, you be like, what? That's what they was talking about? That's what they mean? It's something similar. That's what he's saying. Like now, as he an adult, he knows what to look for. It's like, come on, bro.
What's bullshit? Because, matter of fact, okay, we still talking about Sting and NWO. We still talking about Sting and NWO. Mm-hmm. Remember the match? It was Sting and Hogan.
Mm-hmm.
Now, mind you, this is other stuff I found out. That's bullshit. Now, if you watch the start of that pay-per-view or even during the match, all the WCW peoples in the crowd watching the match. Think about that, okay? Everybody in the crowd, they showing always these wrestlers, and they make it seem it's so important that they want to watch the match from the crowd. Now,
mind it's an important match.
Yeah. but mind you now, once again, the whole fucking NWO came out there. Sting had to fight all them all by himself. But you got WCW still sitting in the crowd. Like, and then when Sting won, now y'all getting in the ring celebrating. Yeah, we did it. Why the hell y'all didn't get out there and help him when he was
getting jumped?
When it was 10-on-1. Y'all just sat there 10-on-1, but he wins the belt. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, celebrating happy. Y'all supposed to get out there and help the man.
Bad writing, because if you're gonna play something like that, that's how you're supposed to do that. Yeah, I see where you going at with it.
But see, we ain't think about it. But I'm watching. I'm like, all them people, they coming in to help Hulk Hogan. That's 10-on-1, and then you got the, and then they ain't like they in the cheap seats. They in the fucking front row watching.
So let me ask you this: do you think? Okay, so listen. So do you think if don't matter who the character is or who the wrestler is or the performance is, if it makes sense, it's good? That's what you believe?
Yeah,
I do too. Now you put it that way because it made sense.
Yeah, I can believe Goldberg can whoop the whole NWO by his damn self. I can understand y'all running away from somebody like Goldberg.
And then not even him. I believe he'll give y'all a good run. But not just no Sting with no bat.
Yeah. A bat. So one guy with a bat supposed to scare 20 of us. He can't hit all 20 of us with the bat.
Even if they do it like in the movies, you know how they be having them action movies when they be breaking it down, like you go into this room or you go into this warehouse and you got 2 here or 3 there. You know what I'm saying? You break it down like that, where you got them all placed in the same area. Yeah, it don't make sense looking at it from the outside in. I see what you're saying. But had you do it, you break it down like that, it's more like, but Big Show, if the Giant, well, he was the Giant then. If he was on the opposing side, it would make sense because it'd be believable that he could probably take on.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it'd have been time Sting just walked right into the ring and whooped all 10, 15 of them.
I told you I seen that. Y'all got to watch that, man. He was doing all that chopping.
He actually dropped the bat. He dropped the bat.
That's what I know. That's what I'm telling you. It just went to chopping.
He dropped the bat. He actually threw the bat away and just like, yeah, come on. And he just started whooping all that. I'm like, really?
And then you know how you be having someone, they be coming up to him with their hands up like this, they waiting.
Like they trying to do a double axe handle. And then then they gotta hold the double axe handle. Like, all right, come on, man.
Yeah, you gotta keep holding it up till you get hit. Like hitting the motherfucker.
That's gotta get kicked out. God. Oh God. But see, I mean, I understand mistakes happen, but goddamn, come on. That's why I would never say. Tell me one thing I will always say is, I respect anybody that gets in that ring.
Oh
So
yeah, most
if
definitely.
look, I don't care if you a diva, got an ego. Look, if you went through training,
You all right
you
with
made
me?
it. Yeah, you all right. You made it. You made it. That's all I'm gonna say. You made it. But you gotta understand some people can learn better than somebody else.
Yeah, most definitely. And you can never stop learning. I mean, that's the beauty of learning. When you
And
think you don't
everybody,
learn it all, that's when you don't messed up.
like when I was at the All Caribbean, every match told a different story.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't the same thing. It wasn't the same thing. Like I expected Malik and Reggie to be a high flying matchup. No, they went the complete opposite route. Had like a technical grounded with a little high flying, but it still kept your attention.
Right.
Because every match cannot be the same.
Oh no, because you get bored with that too.
Yeah, like okay, we can't. Me and you, we can't follow like Ric Flair and Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, them classics.
No.
We can't follow that.
But if we and I get what you're saying, bro. If we come up with our own story,
Yeah,
but it be believable, it won't matter because it's our
yeah,
story and it's a believable story, a project, as
yeah.
we want to put it, or a
We
match.
may not get into a 5-star classic, but like
Our story was
okay,
believable, and you
but me
liked
and
it
you,
because the story
we
was
can do it.
believable.
We can do it like a good big man versus little man match.
Mm-hmm.
Something
Anyway,
that 5-star technical classic couldn't do.
and make it no disqualification. So that
Oh
way,
yeah, to really happen. Yeah,
you don't know who gonna win now.
yeah. There
You
you
know what
go.
I'm
Yeah,
saying? If we fighting a straight match, big man, little man, just a regular singles match, the odds are on the big man to win. But if you make it no disqualification and it make the odds even. But shit, you can easily hit me with something and win.
there you go. Yeah, all right. Yeah. So now another topic I'm for to say now. I seen another post like okay, back. How do you decide really who's a Hall of Famer? Cause mind you now, unlike basketball and football, you can look at
They go by stats.
you can actually look at a person's talent and say, okay, man, he had an impact on the team. But then in wrestling, it's like, okay, how am I deciding he a Hall of Famer? Is because it's not really his talent. It's probably what the character that he built around is. Cause so and then with wrestling, you really can't say who's good because it's not like you really earning to be a 20-time world champion.
Right. I follow what you're saying.
Yeah, like
So what basically I mean my opinion, and I could be wrong. Hopefully somebody comment to this or either make a video shouting us out on my TV, by the way.
yeah,
My opinion is I think it would be the person, and I can't even say that, but because they have people in there like what the fuck. But anyway, somebody that was a bit drawer. Because if they made him champion a lot, something had to be going on. They had to be making money off of him some type of way. You follow me? That's the only thing I can think of that would qualify you to be that. That's the only thing, bro. That's the only thing. Because people that got longevity, like Kane in the Hall of Fame, but I don't see Kane as no big. No, you know what I'm saying? Maybe in merchandise, maybe. But just talking about I'm going to go see Kane fight tonight.
okay, that I'm saying, yeah, yeah. But then, okay, if you say longevity, okay, man, okay, we gotta throw the Birdman Coco Beware in there.
Yeah, you got to
But
throw Slick in there.
yeah, but that's why I said, okay, what is the credentials
Yeah, and they
of
never
a
was
Hall of Famer?
explained. And
Yeah,
you know what? That's a good question. We want to know. We want to know here at Lombard TV. We want y'all, whoever, we want y'all to give us what's the blueprint, what's the criteria, what's the how do you become a Hall of Famer? Like what's the scratch off list?
yeah, because you can't say titles because it's not like legitimately you winning titles.
Yeah, I follow what you're saying with that with keeping the kayfabe going. I follow what you're saying.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, we're gonna put this guy in because he's a 15-time champion, but deep down inside, it ain't like okay, he's winning a legitimate fight now. I mean,
but you know what? Somebody that I think would qualify to be in the Hall of Fame, and that's why they don't saturate it, the Hall of Fame. But this how people, somebody like Roman Reigns, bro.
Oh, he gonna be in there.
But that's well, from what he accomplished and what he doing, that's the marker that I think of a Hall of Famer, and that's what it should be. Somebody that can.
And then with Roman Reigns, my boy, I gotta get him on the show. Mm-hmm. Nick Holiday also with coaching with Malik. Mm-hmm. With Malik, they mouthpiece. Shout out Nick. He hit it right on the head. Something I've been saying with Roman Reigns. Mm-hmm. I love what he's doing now, but he's basically been gifted. He's been they really been trying to get him to for the longest to be where he's at now, and it just nothing never clicked. But if it was the average person, they would have got rid of them in 2 weeks.
I see what you said, but you know what? it go back to like in certain, well, all sports, it's sometimes you have like athletes you see that you just see something in them that they don't see in themselves, and you figure you can develop it, and you invest it, you spend time in it, and you plant your seeds in it and watch it grow. So I'm assuming that's what it is in wrestling too. Because if you look at it, bro, Roman Reigns got natural charisma, which is, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing that you could work on right there. Of course, he got the size, then he got the image, then he could talk. Right. And he universal, bro. Like, he sound black, but it's proper. You know what I'm saying? The way he talk. So he got that universal tone of voice, and the way he talk, he got a lot of shit going for himself with his character.
Yeah. Like I said, don't get me wrong.
But what you said,
he's knocking at a bark now.
I agree.
But then you gotta understand, like,
they ain't give everybody that chance.
He been giving chance after chance after chance.
I agree.
Like, the average person, oh no, you just not connecting. You just not connecting. But
let me ask you this: do you think they tried to do that with McIntyre, Drew McIntyre?
I don't know. I never been big on Drew McIntyre.
But I think they probably did though. I think the same thing they doing with Roman Reigns, they tried to do that with Drew McIntyre, but I don't think he crossed over. Just how you feel. Because Drew McIntyre had a big push at one time too. It wasn't like no Kofi push. That Kofi push was just, okay, y'all cheering for Kofi. Let me get on the belt. All right, y'all shut up.
Yeah, but I'm to this day, I'm still mad about that.
He don't win the NXT. I seen him on NXT.
Yeah. It's still no mention of him. They don't even mention that he was a former world champion. Like what happened to the fucking rematch clause? Like, goddamn.
But I wouldn't give a damn if I was a world champion for half a millisecond, Marlon. Boy, every time. But that's gonna be on my resume, boy. Just because of all the dues that I paid to get to that point.
Yeah, but it may be on your resume. But you already know in wrestling, bam. Here today, going tomorrow.
That's true. But
you can forget about it.
You carrying that on your resume, that's the good time. If you going tomorrow, you get some good bookings.
Unless you're a diehard fan, that's the only way you're gonna remember your guy was a champion.
Hey, how they tried him is what you remember that he was a champion.
Yeah.
Something negative is what make you remember that he was champion. Like, I don't forgot Big E was champion. I'll be forgetting about that.
Yeah. And then it gets to the point we don't forgot Bobby Lashley was champion.
Who that?
Bobby Lashley.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Bobby Lashley just kind of faded out all in general. And you see what's going on with
It's like y'all should have been there put the rocket on Bobby Lashley. My God.
What he got to do? What else do we have to do? And it's crazy. It's like they trying to, man, really, bro. Because I'm still upset about the hurt business.
That's why I say it's a lot of. It's still politics. No matter how we say it, it's some racism in there.
Yeah.
Because Bobby Lashley, your guy. I mean, God damn. And then everybody loved Bobby Lashley. When he won the belt, everybody cheered. Everybody like, good job, Bobby. It wasn't no just black people was happy Bobby won the belt.
And then too, right now, what you think about that could be a good WrestleMania match, Bobby Lashley and Roman Reigns. Let the man get one of them belts.
And I call that on one show, but it's I mean, let's be honest. Who the hell really want this dream match Roman Reigns? Who is the dream match Roman Reigns in the Raw? Who really want that match?
Because you already know how it's gonna turn out. Rocky ain't got time to be coming making appearances, so we know he finna lose.
But then again, Roman wins, everybody gonna be like, oh God, what?
Then there's some racism stereotypes going on.
Win, but then if the Rock win, it's gonna be like, well, goddamn, the Rock didn't need to win. But then Roman wins is gonna be a problem. So who the hell want to? Who said that was a dream match?
And then you opening up a can of worms too, because you making it seem like so damn y'all turning their family against each other for $1 or for a belt. You turning the families against each other. That's the first thing. The second thing is this. Oh, well, damn, you saying nobody else in the locker room can beat Roman Reigns. We got to have a man come from making movies in his family to come beat him. Because so nobody else can't do it.
So you know damn well now we ain't going to believe nobody else going to beat him.
But I know for sure it'll look good with Bobby Lashley. If Bobby Lashley won, that'll be believable to me. Bobby Lashley, Roman Reigns. And if Bobby Lashley win, that's way believable, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, and you can have interference. You can have interference with the Uso brothers. That should be nice.
That's why they should have never fucked up the fucking Hurt business.
Yes, bro. Oh my God, bro. That would have been.
There we go.
Oh, we got the blood. Man.
We got the bloodline against the Hurt business. There you go.
That could have ran Survivor Series. That could have ran. You could have ran Survivor Series and WrestleMania.
That could have been the War Games.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The War Games and ran on to WrestleMania.
Good poor Shelton Benjamin, my God.
They try and Shelton, man. Shelton the man, bro. Shelton Benjamin the man, bro. I don't care what nobody say. That man the man. I seen when he first came on the scene, when he was with the other dude. Then he got with Kurt Angle. They had a little faction going on one time.
Yeah, teammate, yeah. And he's still in shape and he can still go, but guys.
They had the perfect that was the perfect chemistry stable. Shelton Benjamin, Cedric Alexander, MVP, Bobby Lashley. I don't know, bro. And if they would have got almost in there, oh, bro, it would have been a wrap.
Yeah, I think I like almost, but he
ain't got them Titans like they used to have, bro. That's what it is. Cause they let him manhandle what's your boy name? Dang.
AJ?
No, the big dude, Braun Strowman. They let him manhandle Braun Strowman. He was slamming Braun Strowman all over the ring.
And then I think, I mean,
they played that wrong to me because that's the only big guy that
I'm sorry, Braun Strowman ain't never had it for me.
But you don't see no charisma in him?
Hell no. And then
he fuck his shit up himself. Like he give too much to me. He'll be at one point, he'll be popping, and I could be digging him, then he just be taking it too much. He be taking it overboard. That's my opinion. Of course.
Yeah. And then get rid of Bray Wyatt.
Oh yeah, it's over with for him. And that little shit they got, I don't know who that man is with the little mustache. That's so corny. All Bray Wyatt storyline corny.
Seen it, I like the picture of it, but it ain't even made me want to go look at YouTube because I just said this is but everybody was like, oh man, we gotta I'm like, yo, okay. What did he just come out and talk about a bunch of bullshit, nothing that. Like you playing mind games, but you don't even know what the hell you doing.
Yeah, I seen the sun, and then the moon told me to say hello. What the hell is we talking about?
He don't even know
that Ultimate Warrior talk, man.
Yeah, but goddamn, at least Warrior did something.
He did something in the ring
and did something to prove this craziness. You just sitting there like, and then you, like I said, what we were talking about, like what the hell we do? Because I don't want to watch no Bray Wyatt match.
I don't either.
If they gonna do that bullshit where they cut the fucking lights out,
they ain't even appealing with the red lights and all that when he was the Fiend. That wasn't appealing to me. I ain't like that. I guess because it was something new. I don't like it. I want to be able to see the action.
But I would say he's smart. He got a big deal out of this, but they probably looking at it like,
we don't fucked up.
Yeah, but we only did that because we didn't want you to put AEW.
But see, the thing is this: it's like, okay, like, what do you go from there? That Fiend character was just so powerful, bro, and they couldn't do nothing with that shit. I think he was before his time with that. Because at the end of the day, the Fiend really supposed to have him run like how Roman Reigns having, bro, with that character.
No, but then no. I'm gonna say when you say before the time or whatever, I'm gonna say that character would have worked back in the 90s. Where
yeah, with the Undertaker and all that stuff. Just coming out.
Well, we didn't have to see you all day every day.
Yeah. It was
we didn't need to see you all the time.
It was a mystique. Yeah, it was a mystique.
Yeah, okay. You go ahead, stalk this one person and have a match with them. Now, 5 months later, somebody just mind their own business and now you come fucking with them. And that was just like, damn, we don't want to see this every week, but then if you go too long, your buzz gonna fizzle out. Mm-hmm. So like now, that's why I say it's like a booker's nightmare. Like we can't keep you on TV too long because everybody gonna forget about you quick. Like your buzz gonna go down. But then we don't want you on TV every week because all you doing is going on there talking a bunch of bullshit and nobody understand. And we don't know what to do with you. Nobody don't want to see you wrestle.
Bro, they need to make him a manager, bro. He need to just be for Dexter Loomis or somebody.
Yeah, I can get behind him being somebody's mouthpiece. So we don't want to see him wrestle.
He could be Dexter Loomis manager or representation or however they want to do it.
Who?
Dexter Loomis, that dude that looked like a serial killer with the blonde hair who come with the black gloves, the white guy. He was on NXT for like the longest with them jeans.
Yeah. And how the hell
that dude looked crazy for real, but like he really be outside doing crime.
And how the hell? And why the hell we cheering him for stalking the Miz? Why the hell we cheering for him? I don't care how bad the Miz hated. I'm not gonna support a guy outside of my house watching me play with my children, breaking into my house, kidnapping and tying me up. I'm not gonna. I don't care how much I hate you. I have to support. And a person stalking you now. I'm like, okay, that's good. That's good. Let me look. Go in there, breaking Lemmy Highs.
Get on in there. Get on.
What the hell we cheering for that for? No, that should have made me as a babyface. The man playing with his daughter. And then we got this man outside the house behind the butchers watching. We cheering for him to go fuck with Miz, spending time with his daughter.
So you already know what that mean. That mean for Dexter Loomis, that's kind of a good thing because you getting cheered regardless. You know that's how the Stone Cold in the Attitude Era started.
No. It was supposed to be presented. Basically, that just giving somebody who don't know, they ain't got no sense. Okay, it's a good thing for somebody to be a stalker now. This ain't.
I know what you promoting. You saying that's what you promoting?
Yeah, this ain't TV in the movies where stalker end up getting he's stalking a girl he want to be with, and at the end of the movie or the show they together. No, in real life, let you go stalk a girl you want to be with. Man, police gonna be on your ass.
So how they should have did that, and they got their own fucking production studio. I don't know why they don't use that in their wrestling, bro. Like, you got all the stuff, the animation, the editing, and everything. They should have had it where you couldn't hear the crowd, just play like a little scare music, and let the crowd feel like, you know what I'm saying, whether they want to.
Yeah. Lummy, is he really the crazy motherfucker? Not Miz.
Right.
But we cheering this man for stalking this man and his family.
And then bring them out into the ring, and then you can see from there what the crowd reaction is, if they cheer for the Miz or whatever. But I see what you're saying with that, though. They promoting stalking.
Yeah, we talking our time for the run out, though. But
yeah. You know how it go. Just cut us off. You know how it go. Hey, man, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. Merry Christmas. We're going to try to do a New Year segment, and we're going to talk until they cut us off because it's been a little while since we uploaded for y'all.
Yeah, so. and I got a big guest coming up.